Hello guys, welcome to our channel ريشة تعلم. I hope that you like this video, subscribe and like before we start. In today's video we're going to learn the 4 titles we use to refer to men and women. Mr, Mrs, Miss, Ms. The only title we use to refer to a man is Mr. Is he married? Is he unmarried? We do not know. Mr. does not refer to the marital status. For example, Mr. Ben. We all know the character. Mr. Ahmed al-Ataibi. Mrs. For example, Mrs. Sarah. We know that Sarah is married because Mrs. used to refer to married women. Miss. For example, Miss Minchin. We all know the character from Sally. Miss Minchin is unmarried woman. Ms. If we don't want to talk about the marital status, we can use Ms. For example, Ms. Sousan Ali. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video so other people can learn what you learned today with me. Thank you so much.